Hello, students. All right, I'm here with the answers of the quiz that was given to you a week ago, and we are now here to assess ourselves. So, just keep your the pencils ready to check your work. You can have a pen with you to correct your work. Okay. All right. Now, let me just tell you something about how you're going to correct your work. A child who gets all of the questions correct, which is going to give them an excellent result. Okay, that's an excellent for them. Anyone who gets 8 to 9 correct, good, very good. It's very good. And if a child gets 7 correct, that is also very good. But if you get less than 7, then you need some more practice. All right, so I'm here to share the answers. All right, the question that says 7 tenths plus 2 hundredths plus 8 thousandths. All right, we add them up. You know where your 7 tenths stand, where your hundreds stand, and where your thousands are standing. So put them in the correct order, and then you get the answer 8270. The last choice is the correct answer. All right, now moving on to the next one. The product of two numbers is 24. Their sum is 14. Find the numbers. 3 choices were there, 3 and 12, 4 and 2, 2 and 12. Now, if you just see the product means to get the answer or by multiplying your two figures. 2 12s are going to give you 24. The product is 24. So if you multiply 2 multiply 12 gives you 24. And the same 2 and 12 if added will give you a 14. All right. So this is the answer for this question. All right, now moving on to this question, which number is the smallest? Just see all the numbers, all 3 numbers. You don't have any whole number in this case. All the whole numbers are just, they have no whole numbers here. All right, all are zeros. Moving on to the first decimal place. The first decimal place of the first figure that you see here, 0.123. So 1 is basically your 10th. Okay. And the 2 is your 100th, and the 3 is your 1000th. Let's move on to the second one, 0.03. 0 is your 10th, okay, and 3 is your 100th. And the third one says 0.2. 2 is your 10th. Now, what do you think the smallest figure should be? 0.03, as we do not have any value given here for 0.03. That's just a 0. The smallest number amongst all your tenths is your 0. So the smallest tenth is 0.03. All right, now I move on to the next question. And this next question is, how many prime numbers are there between 10 and 20? Now, think of the prime numbers. The prime numbers, let's do it till the smallest prime number that we have done up till now. 2, 3, 5, 7. All right. Now, it says between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20, we have 11, 13, 17, and 19. So the smallest the 4 prime numbers are between 10 and 20 are given here, and there are only 4 numbers. Okay, it's mentioned here. Now moving on to the next part. How many tenths in 2 wholes? Now, children, you need to first know what does tenth mean here. 0.1, okay, that one is 0.1, 1/10. All right. Now they have asked us as to how many tenths will make 2 whole numbers. If you add up 0.1 10 times, it will give you a whole number. You can see it on the screen. I've added up 0.1 10 times. And when I added up, I got the figure 1.0. That makes one whole number. So as now 10 tenths make one whole number. So 20 tenths such numbers, 20 tenths will make it two wholes. So the answer is very simple. 20 tenths is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next part. Anne can type 12 words per minute. It means she can type, in 1 minute, she can type 12 such words. If she has to type a story of 96 words, then she will take dash minutes to type the story. Now, how many words were there? There were 96 words, okay? So she will be dividing it by 12 because she can type 12 words in a minute. So 96 words divided by 12 will give us 8. So the correct answer is she will take 8 minutes to type 96 words. All right? This too needs practice. You keep doing, the practice is like you keep doing it on a daily basis, and then you'll get to understand, all right, the sum is asking you whether it's going to be a division or a multiplication. You need to sort out the operation yourself, and this will come with practice. All right. How many fives can you fit in 200? Now, there were three choices. 55s can fit in your 200? No, because if you multiply 5 times 50, it will give you 250. 5 5s are 25, add up a 0, and then you get 250. And if you multiply 5 by 40, 5 4s are 20, add up that 0, ahead of that 4, it gives us 200. And if you multiply 5 by 30, you get 5 3s are 15, and the 0 which is ahead of 30, that is a 30, 5 3s are 15, and add up a 0 there, it will give you 150. What do you think the correct choice should be? It's 40. All right. Or you can also do it the other way around. 200 divided by 5, you will get the answer. Make it easy. It's all up to you to just, this is your brain that's going to think of, 200 divided by 5 will give you 200 divided by 5 will give you a 40. Or this question is so simple that you multiply 5 with 40, you get the same thing. All right. Again, practice is needed. So let's move on to the next question here. And what's going to be the next question? How much is 2007 divided by, the brackets is open, 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7. Now, for children who are in grade 4, they probably get a bit confused, although it's not a confusing question at all. The only thing is to just use your brain. And this brain, it does wonders. It's all up to you to decide as to which, method you should go on with. Now, the simple thing is that 2007 divide, I will copy it down, and I have got 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is giving you what, children? 2 again. Again, 2 plus 0 will give you 2. And then again, plus 7, it gives you 9. So adding up these 4 digits will give you 9. Then there's a minus sign here. Now, think of the multiplication. 2 multiplied by 0 gives you 0, of course. 0 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. And 0 multiplied by 7 gives you a 0. So the answer is a 0 here, right? Now you will have, it's a bit easier now to assess how to go ahead. 2007 divided by 9. Now you are very good at your divisions by now, because those children who are in grade 4, they are very smart in divisions, and grade 5, they need not to be explained all this because they're already done with divisions, right? So if you are given 2007 divided by 9, if you have your writing, the notebook that you've done your work, or maybe your writing pad, you can use your working there. 2007 divided by 9. 9 twos are 18, and then you are left with 2, and then you bring down the 0. Again, you got 20 here. 9 twos are 18 again, and 20 minus 18 gives you what? It gives you 2 again. And then it becomes, you'll drag down the 7 and you'll get 9 times 3 gives you 27. So the options that were there are 223 and 9. So 223 is the right option. Children, if you have still any problem, you can ask me, okay, with this question. Especially I'm talking to students who are in grade 4. Let's move ahead. Amit, who is older than Rohan by 1 year and 1 day, was born in January 1st, 2002. What is the date of Rohan's birth? Rohan is younger than Amit. So if Amit is January 1st, 2002, so Rohan will be January 2nd, 2003. Okay? So Amit was born in January 2nd, 2001, and Rohan was born after 1 year, 1 day, which makes it January 2nd, 2003. All right. So I think we are done with the quiz, and I would like to thank all of you who participated in the quiz, and those, I just gave you the criteria how to mark your work. And don't feel, especially I'm talking to those children who could not do so well. So for them, I should just tell them, just don't give up. Just keep trying. All right. Practice will make you perfect. Everything is, we need practice there. When I'm cooking, I'm just talking something which is apart from maths. And even if I'm cooking something, if I'm not good at it, but, with the passage of time, and if I'm meant to practice with that particular dish, then I will become a perfect cook. So everything, be it anything, be it cooking, be it stitching, be it your maths, be it English, or your games, we need practice. So it will make you perfect, and this practice will help you in future. I have some more questions for you, so I will be giving you a set of quiz very soon. And I would seriously encourage those children who are doing it also well. I mean, those who are getting full marks, full points, and those who are getting good, and those who are below average, I would encourage them to practice. Okay. So next time, inshallah, I will be sharing with you another video. Till then, goodbye and have a good day.